What's happened to Buckram? So many of the materials used by theatrical milliners have fallen out of production and are no longer available. Blocking net, esparterie, perhaps soon even Buckram, that most common foundation material. What's happening to Buckram?
I'm not talking about the narrow stuff used in bookbinding and home decor drapery interfacing. I'm talking about the stiff woven textile foundation of many historical hat styles used by theatrical milliners to make structured headpiece designs.
I'm Rachel, and here on my channel, La Bricoleuse, I cover important topics relevant to professional costume making. I first noticed Buckram being out of stock at North American Millinery supplies around 2021. It might have been difficult to find earlier than that, but there was a global pandemic. The rumors about the shortage ran the gamut.
The machines that made it broke, and no one can repair them. The finishing process is too complex to replicate. The market is so small now, it's just not profitable to manufacture. The Hat magazine, a trade journal for the millinery industry, featured an article in the May 2023 issue on an initiative helmed by the British company Parkin Fabrics to restore availability of millinery buckram to the UK market.
Great for European milliners, and good luck to the folks at Parkin, but international shipping prices are cost prohibitive for a theatrical milliner like myself, struggling to operate within narrow budget margins. Here in the US, several respected colleagues have advised that
HatSupply.com is working on a similar initiative to restore buckram availability to the North American market.
I hope this comes to fruition. Meanwhile, I have a fall millinery class on the schedule at the university where I teach. And not only do I need material to work with in class, but I need an affordable, reliable source my students can purchase from in the future
as they become the next generation of professional costume makers. The way buckram is most often used in theatrical millinery is as a foundation material, reinforced with wire, typically sewn along seams and edges and perhaps other places, like in support of a broad brim. This buckram frame is then covered with a fashion fabric. Occasionally, buckram is blocked into a dome crown for a style like a bowler or tricorn.
A milliner can use buckram foundation construction techniques with other materials. For example,
a colleague makes hats for outdoor summer theater and Renaissance festivals using plastic canvas like this, more commonly used for yarn needlepoint crafts. That milliner uses it in place of buckram to create hats that stand up to months of wear in summer heat as well as occasional rain.
Buckram collapses when wet and can be challenging to restore to its original shape. I've spent the past semester conducting research on potential buckram substitutes for my upcoming stage millinery class. Over the next 3 months,
I'll be releasing project vlogs about my results for each material tested so you can see how it worked in a millinery application, learn the pros and cons,
and decide whether you want to explore using these materials in your own hat making. This playlist will aggregate these videos, so you can easily check them out as they come out or refer back to catch subsequent content on this topic. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more costume construction content.